Hi guys, Bruce here. Oh, it's mail day. Love mail day. So, this is from Dave Ackerman, 1967 is his channel name. And I have an idea what's in here, but not exactly. So let's just have a look. I guess I can go this way too. All right. Holy. Alrighty. So, a long time ago, somebody emailed me and told me that I had the wrong tank on my John Deere Tecumseh 8 horsepower motor. So, Dave Ackerman saw me chattering about that, and he sent me this. Can you guys believe that? Isn't that beautiful? I mean, to me it's beautiful. It's even got the bleed cock, the period correct bleed cock on the bottom, lid on the top. Absolutely perfect. So that is one of the things that are coming today in the mail. Did you guys get a look at that at all? So let's just push the box off to the side. I mean, look at that. That's a metal gas tank. It looks like it's in great shape. Now, let me get the snowblower over here and I'll show you what I got on there. Just hang on. Here's the old green snowblower. And this tank looks very similar, but it's not as deep, if you'll notice that, right? And it'll hook onto the side like that with the bracket. So yeah, thanks a lot. And the other thing in this box, back to reality here, why we're here. All right. Oh, he's got the tape on here to protect the packing. That's a good idea. Oh, the bolts that come with it. Mounting bolts and everything. That is cool, hey? That's why it's got the tape on there, is to keep the bolts 1/4 inch by Phillips bolts. So I'm anxious to see if this is going to work. That'll be in another video. And the reason why he sent the tank and the starter was because that Briggs tank is too low and it gets in the way. Now this way the starter can fit pretty much right up in there, like that. So that's really great, Dave. Thank you so much. I can't believe that. There's a lot of value here, and there's also a lot of cost in the shipping too. So thank you. So all of you guys out there, if you want to support a good guy, right? Like he's just a regular hard-working dude, and go to Dave Ackerman 1967. I'll put a link on my channel in the comments, and go to his channel and subscribe and comment and like and all the things that you have to do to somebody who's a really good guy. So anyway, we'll have the installation of this a little bit later on. Thank you very much. And have a good day, guys. This is very, very nice. Thank you. Okay, demo time. So that's kind of nice that it's all enclosed in one unit. You just plug it onto the side of the engine and go. You don't have that secondary one that goes to the top for this plug-in. This is just a momentary contact switch, eh? Now I am going to clean this shaft, as we all would. And yeah, very, very cool. And the tank is really clean. So I don't know where he found a tank that old, that good. Once again, thanks, Dave.